Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs, and today, as you can see, I'm here to do a project share for a project that I done, and it's an altered binder, and this is a 9x6 binder that I took some 2 different lace fabrics and layered on here, and then I took some Chinese braid and went around all of the binder, and then I took some swirls here, and I can't remember where I got these swirls from, so if I can find them, I'll link them down below. And I also have this cute little flower applique over here with my bow. This is the back side. As you can see, I have this the bling over here too. I have the flower here, and I have it here. Now again, I have these little flowers here. Okay, let me see if that's better. Nah, let's put this one on. There we go. And I have them here. Now one is like a organza flower right here. Oops. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Let's turn this light off. There we go. And then I also have them in the corners here. Now I only have the bow on this side, and as you can see, I folded over the bottom fabric to go into the book. There's 2 pockets here, and again with the Chinese braid, I went all the way around. I'm gonna try to alter it more and bring y'all an update, but I want to try to alter the pockets and alter right here. So that's my next step on this one. So again, everyone, I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Okay, I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, please be kind, be safe, be caring, and bye bye for now.